Welcome to everyone. I hope you all be doing well. Let's learn something new today. A is for aeroplane. B is for bowling ball. C is for cliff. D is for dart. E is for eggplant. F is for fuselage. G is for grand piano. H is for heron. I is for inside. J is for jackal. K is for kilogram. L is for llama. M is for mop. N is for news. O is for owl. P is for pen. Q is for quiver. R is for rooster. S is for school. T is for trees. U is for underwater. V is for volcano. W is for window. X is xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zipper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, it will motivated me.